Nine ball is a popular game of pool played with two players. The objective of the game is to legally sink the nine ball. Unlike eight ball, also known as stripes and solids, nine ball is a type of rotational pool, which means that both players are trying to pocket the same balls in order from 1 to 9. To set the balls up, rack the balls at the foot spot in a diamond shape, with the 1 ball in the front and the 9 ball in the middle of the diamond. The rest of the balls should be arranged randomly around the 9. The starting player breaks the rack by shooting at the 1 ball from the kitchen. If they pocket any ball on the break, they continue to shoot. If they don't pocket a ball, the next player shoots. When shooting, the active player must hit the lowest number ball on the table. For example, if they sink the 1 ball on the break, they must make contact with the 2 ball on their next shot. If they sink the 2, they move on to the 3, and so on. However, combination shots are allowed. So if a player hits the 1 ball, and that 1 ball knocks in a higher numbered ball, they continue shooting. The active player keeps shooting until they fail to legally pocket a ball or they scratch. A scratch occurs if a player fails to hit the lowest numbered ball available. They sink the cue ball, or they fail to hit a rail or pocket a ball after making first contact with an object ball. When a player scratches, their opponent picks the cue ball up and places it anywhere on the table before taking their next shot. If any player scratches on 3 consecutive turns, they lose. Play continues until a player wins by sinking the 9 ball, or by default when the other player scratches 3 times in a row.